If your recently visited websites are no longer appearing in the DuckDuckGo app, browsing can become less convenient. In this video, I will show you how to fix so recently visited sites on DuckDuckGo app easily. First thing you have to do is to go to this application of DuckDuckGo. Then here in this window, you will move to above and you will click here. After that, you will go to settings. You will tap on settings. Here in this page, you will find this window of general settings, so you will tap or click here. Then in this list you will find this sign and you will tap here to enable this feature to fix this problem of recently visited sites to show them. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget